So, can you share me the link of your website and the YouTube channel for me to see as a follow up to the email and also to see the reviews of your past clients, and then I'll get back to you. And then, what's your charges?
Okay, so after finish our meeting, my colleague will send you our website link, our YouTube channel's link, and all of the thing. Then you can check, you can verify. But for your information, our YouTube channel is not like a traditional YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel purpose is we just publish our clients meeting for achieving our next client's trust. For just that, we not give extra bit of effort to our YouTube channel, but you can still check our work, our client meeting, and our previous work screenshot review, etc. You can check. And the second question is, what is the cost? Right now we have two type of packages available. First one is basic package, and in this package we will complete SEO optimization, including organic promotion for your 10 videos in 7 days. We will complete SEO, complete optimization, including organic promotion for your 10 videos in 7 days. And our basic package cost is 120 US dollar. And also we have another package that's called monthly package and premium package. And in this package we will complete SEO, complete optimization, complete including organic promotion work for your 30 videos in 30 days, and also including your whole channel backend optimization. Like, your channel has a additional description section, your channel has a additional keyword section. So we will do all the thing about your YouTube channel, and also we will give you the content calendar. YouTube recommend three types of content, like hub content, engagement content, hero content. So we will guide you about your all content calendar. Okay, and including SEO. And our premium package cost is only 300 US dollar. But for you, I love to make for you a lovely discount, and which is 250 US dollar for premium package. Okay, and after finish our meeting, Roni Sarkar, he will send you all of the package information by a Google Sheet or doc that you can take a look.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, that's it. I will look at the document because I like to see the documentation and let you know if I'm
Yes,
going
of
to be on
course.
board or
All the
not.
thing will be documented, including payment invoice, package details, etc. And if you choose any package, he will report you after some days. For example, if you choose a monthly package, then he will report you every after 1 week. That means how much growth we achieve. He will report you, including before and after comparison. Okay, then you can check actually which thing we done.
Thank you so much. What's your name again?
My name is Rifat.
Rifat.
Rifat. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Your name is Mary.
You? Yeah, you can
Mary.
call me Dr. Mary, but yeah, Mary.
Mary.
Call
Okay.
go by
Mary
Mary. Yeah.
is sounds easy for me.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Thank you for the meeting. I had to it's very early here and I had to get some things done. I have a family. So well thank you so much for the updates on the meeting.
Okay,
Appreciate it.
ma'am. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for
All
joining
right.
us. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay. Bye.